Hey, good afternoon. It's Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to give you an update, a couple things. We had the car show, I guess, 2 weeks ago, and car did great. And I tell you, then I got it home, and it wouldn't do anything, and I couldn't move it because I didn't feel comfortable with taking it on the road and having it stall. So I got it towed back over to the garage yesterday, so I'm going to mess with it today. I'll spin around and show you a couple things what I had to do. I'm not sure if it fixed it or not. Everett came over 2 days ago, and we adjusted everything, and it was running fine. And I parked it, and I cranked it back up, and it just would not run. We can't figure it out. So I just finished taking the carbs off again. I've gotten pretty good at that, and putting it all back together, which I'm going to do, and see if we can get this thing running. Luckily, the tow truck guy, helped me back it in here. I just didn't want to leave it out over in Port Royal in the alleyway. So I got the battery on it, got the battery charging. The battery, of course, went dead. And then I'm going to work on some things, trying to get it wet sanded, trying to get it look better. I'm sort of frustrated with the hood. Still pisses me off. I did find one, a new one that I have got to budget to go and pick it up, and I'll do that sometime this summer, but I'm in no rush. I just want to get it wet sanded, so I can polish it and see how it looks, and then it'll be fine because it was running great. But that's what happens sometimes. So I'll touch back with you in a few minutes and let you know if it starts, or it's going to be going to give me a hard time, like sometimes they do. MGs are just like this. If you have them, it's non-ending tinkering with them. All right, thanks for joining me, and I appreciate you following along with the restore of this MGB. Thank you. So I've got it running. Idling a little high, but I'm just going to let it warm up, and then I'm going to try to make some adjustments. Idle a little fast. Need to bring it down just a little bit, but we'll see. I want to give you a little update. I want to mess with it a little bit longer, then I'm going to be taking off. But the car looks good. It's got some buffing. Got to do a lot of buffing and polishing. Other than that, I think it'll be fine. Got to air the tires. The tires were really low the other day, so I got that in yesterday. So I'll keep you updated. I just readjusted the carburetors, and they seem to be working so much better. Amazing. When these do work, they work fantastic. It's just only 4 little adjustments on them, but you have to be careful and just do a little bit at a time. But it's supposed to slow down and then go back to it, which it did. Both of them are sort of doing exactly the same thing, so I know I'm getting fuel to both carburetors equally, which was my concern earlier. So I've got the emissions pretty much where it needs to be. We used to have a pump here, but everybody just gets rid of that stuff. So I'm going to just use what I've got for right now. But it's running good and it's warming up, so I'm going to leave well enough alone for right now, and I'm going to plan on tomorrow training today. I'm going to take it over and fill up the fuel and if it runs good over there and back, then I'm going to put the air cleaners back on it, but I'm going to leave those off until I get this a little tightened down. But I did organize things a little bit yesterday, and I'm going to run by Harbor Freight and get a few things to organize my sockets better, because I want to keep my good socket set over there. I want to keep those separate from getting mixed with these other ones. I'm only lost 117 millimeter socket. I can't find it. It's between here and the other garage. So I'm going to track that down. Then I'm going to organize all of my sandpaper into wet sand, different courses, and I'll have that organized. So I'm going to try to get that a little more straight. But that's the update today. Old MG's looking good. I'm going to start wet sanding it this week, and hopefully I'm not disappointed with that. But we'll see how that turns out. Thanks for joining me. Share, like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you.